Hello, it's been a while since I did a video for this channel. I've been a little busy working my day job, so I was wondering what to do with all the saved up money for the holidays. Just kidding, guys. So I have an IEM today. I was looking at a single dynamic driver IEM and I looked at a few of them and narrowed down on the FIIO FD1. So that's what I have for an unboxing today. Yeah, I know you can see my face on the shrink wrap. Doesn't matter. I don't intend to be a masked hero or something. Okay guys, so again I got this from my favorite shop, the Headphone Zone. You can check it out if you're based out of India. So the FD1 has a beryllium plated single dynamic driver. I think the marketing material says that it's got 4 times more rigid than steel diaphragm. That's strange. And it also says the driver can hit 12 kilometers per second of air pressure. So what does that really translate into, other than marketing speak that sounds impressive? It translates into tighter transients, probably better controlled bass, and I do wish for more sparkly trebles. I don't want IEMs that are very muffled. I'm not much of a mid-range person, though I prefer neutral sounding headphones. I do prefer good amount of treble response. So the FIIO was one of those odd ones which seems to work very well across the range. So I'll get into the unboxing. Here is just a quick schematic from their website. It talks about a dual magnet system, a front cavity ear tip, blah blah blah. So yeah, FIIO has kind of mastered the art of packaging and also how to market the technical details of the product. Fantastic. And the product also has a pressure relief technology. So basically it's a hole somewhere in the back just to relieve air pressure that's created when there's very deep bass being played out. Yeah, so that sounds like it. So I'll get into the unboxing. Oh yeah, one last thing. So this is 32 ohms. So if you plug it into a phone, it will still work fine, but it works mostly better with DABs or something that can drive 32 ohms. Okay, so let's just get into the unboxing. So here we go. I have my favorite pocket knife, of course, and I'll try to be as careful as possible with the plastics. Yeah, that's supposed to be careful, guys. I know people are laughing out there. Let's get this out of the way. And yeah, I love the packaging. I mean, FIIO follows the standard of black box for all their IEMs. It makes it look very premium and impressive. So there we go. I open up the box and we have some material which basically talks about what FIIO is, how to use the earphone, all the usuals, how to plug in the the cables, notes, precautions, blah blah blah. And there you see I have the blue version. I think it looks gorgeous, right? It looks like a piece of jewel that's been embedded into a box. So there's a black version also available. I somehow like the blue one. I mean, this looks really impressive. I mean, it looks very well finished. Okay, after the initial gawking is done, so let's get into the earphone. So looks like it's already cabled in. You can see that the wires are dangling out below here. This is copper cable. Actually, it looks very impressive. The cables are plastic coated. I can actually feel this soft touch on top of that, but if you look at it just from the images, it looks like a tight copper cable, but it's plastic coated. The standard 3.5 mm jack that's already built into it. I'm not sure if a balanced is packed into it. So let me just get the headphones out. This is what I don't like about unboxings, because it's not simple to just pull out an IEM from its fancy packaging. It's been positioned tightly, nicely to be presented, but then pulling it out means pushing on the ear tips. I don't know if there's a better way to do it. Maybe somebody can tell me in the comments down below. But here it is. a standard connector, and you can see the large driver down there. Like the schematic said, it's got 2 magnets and gives you more power in terms of pushing bass and pushing, let's say, explosions kind of things. So let's get that out of the way. So this is the IEM itself. It's very nice. I like the jewel like finish, and somehow blue seems to work better than black. So let's look at the accessories. There's a small accessories box that's packed with some more goodies. So there we go. So one of the favorites, or one of my favorites of FIIO, is the box that they give you. It's a plastic rock solid box. You can put your IEM in here and shove it into your backpack, or just take it anywhere. Though it looks a little big, but it actually serves a very important purpose. You know, I was talking about pushing the ear tips out of the packaging, and I was worried that I might press the rubbers too much. So that's exactly what this box is going to protect. So you can put it in here, and you can be rest assured that it's going to be safe, right? That's the box. Very nice case. And then we have a few different size tips out here. I think it comes with a medium tip fitted into it, and what I'm pulling out right now is a mystery. I don't know what's inside. I guess it's tips. So yeah, these are foam tips. So this is interesting. The comply foam tips, I guess. So this is the one pair of foam tips, and we probably have a bunch of silicone tips. Let's look at them. Yeah, so this is the large sized silicone tips. I think one more fell off. Yeah, that's the medium one, and I'm sure they've also packed in a small size one. So let's look at that. So that's it. In terms of accessories, it's not too many things. You don't need too many things. You just have different size ear tips, and wow, these are the spin fit ones. So this is again interesting. So we have, whoops, something went off the table. I'll find that later. So we have choices of either spin tip or silicone, or if you like, comply tips. That's there too. And 3 sizes, medium, large, and small, in both the spin fit and the silicone gaps. But if you're going for foam, there's only one size. It probably makes sense as well, because the foam, the way it works is you just press it a little bit and push it into your ear, so it kind of fits the shape of your ear. So it's whether it's a small or a large ear, eventually the ear tip will fit that. So that's it. I think they look fantastic. I'll be doing a sound demo in, I'll just be doing that in a few minutes. So watch out for the next video. See you later.